I love Dashing Diva gel nail strips. There's palettes, and you can mix it up a little bit with the colors. I have a tendency to just stay with the colors that are solid. I don't like all the crazy stuff. Well, unless it's Valentine's Day. Gotta have some hearts on Valentine's Day. And some candy canes at Christmas. They last of the full 14 days. I have wore them for 21 days, even 22, 23 days, and they still looked amazingly beautiful. The color was there. A few of the ends would start to lift, getting close to that third week. But when can you do a manicure that lasts that long and the color stays true? I also use the Dashing Diva Glaze. What I'm wearing now is red dahlia, and it's just beautiful. I love keeping my fingernails a little bit short. You do need the light for the glaze, and they sell the little small mini lights, cute as can be. Or I use my old light because I used to do gel nail manicures and pedicures on myself. It was expensive, but still less than the salon. The hard part was getting that glaze, that gel off. You had to buy the special soakers. You had to soak your fingers in the hot acetone to get it off, and then it would damage my natural nail underneath. Not a problem with Dashing Diva. Nails stay beautiful underneath. And with the glaze, because it's a much harder surface on the outside with the glaze, my fingernails grow underneath. I'm always having to clip them down a little bit because I like to keep them short. Much easier to type fast and to garden outdoors. Love the colors. I have all kinds of them that I use all the time. Enjoy your manicure.